Now we will start with the first thing you do when you get up in the morning. Remember, I've given you an overview, but now we'll start breaking it down one by one. The first thing I do, because it's not just the first thing you do, I'm just telling you what I have done to make myself look completely trim. 65 days in a year or 66, depending on the leap year. I'm trim, I'm feel strong, and I'm always on the ready mood to go. So the first thing I do when I get up, and these things have been established by tests, trials, clinical, as the case may be, is to drink 2 cups of water. It looks so easy, but that's it. You get up, you drink 2 cups of water. Even before now I began this thing, I've already taken 2. So you drink 2 cups of water. Why? Your body is made up of more than 65% water. All your cells contain water. Your brain, water. That's the first thing you do. When you take 2 cups of water, you may as well add another cup of green tea. The reason you can put 1 cup of green tea is that green tea has epicalatin, a very powerful antioxidant that can help your body. It will simply scale up your energy immediately you drink it. So that the exercise you will do, you put all your strength into it. Because doing exercise one, but you put your strength into it is to activate chemicals, hormones, because that is the key for an exercise. You may not lose much weight when you are doing exercise. It is the chemicals and hormones that you trigger that will last you for the next 26 hours or thereabouts of burning fat. So your body will be in fat burning mood all day. So after drinking that, my first exercise will be to just my leg apart. Very simple exercise, 5 minutes, we're finished. You go down, because what you want to do is to activate all parts of your body immediately. Like this, and move down to push your glutes backwards, down, down, down. When you are doing that, you are activating all your joints, your lower leg, your thighs, and the muscles that go up from your hands. And then your spinal cord, your brain are getting activated and alerted. And sensory transmissions are going to your brain. When you get up, you just do very simple thing. This time, try to go your head, go down a little bit, 5 times, 10 times as the case may be. Now you are pushing oxygen into your head straight away and in full force. And deep breathe as you do. Then you go down full. Hold your hands and then keep pushing your body down. Keep pushing your body down. Every bit of this thing we do, each stage 30 seconds we do. So that by the 5th one, you are 2.5 minutes. 30 seconds already. When you reach 30 seconds, you can push yourself down. hold again. You get up, this time around. You get up, this time around. Take your hands further, this way, and then get back until you stand. When you do this, the final bit for this first is to go on body control. This body control, you're standing on one leg. By doing so, it will trigger a lot of things in your brain. When you stand, if you want to be steady, set your eyes on one particular thing and hold it. It will help you to stand. Then you can deep breathe as you're standing, because when you deep breathe again, it will trigger hormones and chemicals. You can stretch your hands to make it even tougher as you stand. So you do it 30 seconds or less in this one, and then you take the other leg to do it also. Yeah, that is it. You can do it twice to make 5 minutes, and you have triggered all the things that will lead you next 20 something hours in terms. So it is simple, but it galvanizes so much of your muscle all day. So this is what I was doing, or had been doing practically every day for almost more than 20 years now. I don't go to the gym. I don't even have time to go to the gym. Of course, sometimes I use weight, but it's not always. And if you can notice, you find out that there's practically no visceral fat in me right now, or just a little. And in terms of muscle does not mean that you have to use big weight, because even these things I'm doing, if you turn your hand this way, you see that what you have here is lean muscle completely. And even though they informed us earlier that for 35 years you cannot add muscles, that's not true, because that's not happened with me. So this is the first thing. So I'll show you a series of other things you can do in 5 minutes, and it's enough for you to go, and you are ready to go, and your brain will be functional, and you lose fat. In fact, in one day alone of doing this very little thing, you will see visible, I repeat, visible flattening of your belly fat, hardening of your muscles, biceps and triceps. You will see it, you begin to see it immediately. And then tightening of your thighs. Thighs are so important because it contains the heaviest part of your body. So you need to work on it always. So we are going to be on a fruitful journey to show you so many other things. Both the type of things I eat when immediately I finish this one, drink immediately I finish this. So thank you very much.